How to install or upgrade OS in Cisco Nexus switch N9K. After inserting USB, if your USB is not showing up or mounting on switch, then format USB to F8032 format. This will be done on your computer or laptop only. This is how you can do it. Then insert your USB to switch. Take console on putty. Copy the NX image into the switch. Use command copy space USB1 colon NX 64 cs dot the version you are using dot f dot bin space boot flash colon. Then go to configure terminal. Set the boot image boot space NXOS space boot flash colon NXOS 64 cs dot then exit. Then check boot image show boot. Then copy the configs. Copy space running config space startup config. Then check image again. Show boot. Then reload and select yes. It is successfully installed or upgraded.